All right, we're putting things together here. So finding our characteristics. Make sure you try these on your own first before checking with me. So end behavior as x approaches infinity. So as x approaches infinity means as we're moving to the right, our graph is moving up, so we say y approaches infinity as well because it's going positive. Or you could also say p of x approaches infinity too. That would also be acceptable. This one is a even degree since they're both pointing in the same direction. We have a local maxima here at 0, 4. Local minima at these 2 points, so looks to be about negative 1.5, negative 2, and 1.52. We have 4 zeros at negative 2, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, and 2, 0. Our domain, or all possible x values, is all real numbers, or you could write that as going from negative infinity to positive infinity. Our range are all possible y values. Well, it's going up forever here, but it does have a limit at the bottom there. We'll call that just negative 2. So y must be greater than or equal to negative 2. Try number 2. Okay. As x goes to infinity, so as x goes positive, y also goes positive. So y is approaching infinity. This is an odd degree since they're pointing in opposite directions. We have a local maxima right here at negative 1, 8 roughly. Local minima here at 2, negative 4 roughly. Zeros at negative 2, 0, 1, 0, and 3, 0. Domain is all reals, all possible x values, as is the range since it goes up and down forever. Or you could also write it in a couple different ways. So you could say your x values go, from negative to positive infinity, as do your y's. I did make a mistake up here using less than or equal to signs. They should just be less than's. My bad. Okay, 2 more. For this one, as x approaches infinity, so as we go positive with x, we go negative with y. So y goes towards negative infinity. This is an even degree since both sides are pointing in the same direction. We have local maxima here and here. So that's about 4, not quite up to 75. I'll say 470. And here at about negative 225, more or less. Local minima, low points here at 1, negative 35-ish. Zeros at negative 3, 1, 2, and 5. You could also write your zeros like that. Domain, all possible x values. So there aren't any restrictions, so that is all real numbers. Range, we do have this maximum point here at, what did I call that, 70, but everything else below is in place, so y must be less than or equal to 70. So we can be equal to 70, we can be at 70, or below. Okay. Last one. As x approaches infinity, so as we move to the right, y moves up. This is a odd degree function. We have a local maxima, a high point here, at negative, well, these go by 2's. So negative 3, 10. A low point here at 1, negative 10. Zeros at negative 4, negative 1, and 2. Notice these are going by 2's. Domain is all real numbers, as is range.